This is going to be a rather short video. Basically, this has me to do with got my plumbing done for my brakes and my clutch line. It's been a while. Had to get over COVID. That's kind of set me back quite a bit. So I'll go ahead and show you what I did on the brake lines and hope you like it. Now, one other thing I want to talk about is that I have a very large inventory of some Lamborghini emblems, and let me show you what I've got, and then I'll put the sheet with the pricing in the video, so you'll be able to ask questions or whatever. I think these are really high quality bulls and emblems, and let me show you what they look like. As I mentioned, I've got a large supply of the Diablo Roadster, the VT emblems. Now this is a flat Lamborghini script, and it has no posts on the back, but it looks like it could be used to fill in matching color. Then we have the Lamborghini script. These also have studs on the back. Then we have the large Lamborghini bull. Again, studs on the back. And then we have the smaller bull. Again, studs on the back. So I've got a large inventory of these, which I'm helping an ex-dealer sell these things. So if you're interested, I'll put my contact information on the slide. And this is the flaring set that I got a long time ago. It's a hydraulic flaring tool. There's quite a few steps, but it really does a beautiful job. Okay, this is a double flaring tool. Hydroflare, but I think they've changed their name now. This was about, when I bought it, I think it was a little over $400, but it does anything and everything you could want. Okay, I got this really neat brake flaring tool. I got it when I had my Diablo, or building Diablo, and it's well worth the money. So basically you put your brake line in here to where it's about even. Set it in this die. You tighten it down. Like that. Then you've got your opening in there. Then you take your 3/16 inch die, drop it in here, and then slowly screw the handle in to where it goes in. Then you use the hydraulic thing to squeeze it. Release it. And then you put in the cone piece. Same thing, you line it up with what you've already flared. See, it's going in there. You tighten this down again. And there you go, you got a perfect flare. Oh, always remember to put your fitting on before you flare it. I have the plumbing done for my brake lines and my clutch using copper-coated line. And I've actually got a proportioning valve for the brake line. This is the remote reservoir for filling the clutch. So down here you can see I've got the front brake lines installed, and then these now run all the way to the back where brake lines come across, and then this is where the clutch slave cylinder goes into the clutch. You can see how I routed the lines. Brake lines and clutch line go along here, fastened to the inner frame rail. Come around here, and here they're split to go to the different wheels. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would, and be sure and turn on your post notifications. Thank you for watching.